What is up, you guys? Today we are doing antique shopping and oh my god, are you okay? Today we're gonna check out a couple of really cool antique shops in the area. Tyler's never been, so I'm really excited to take him so he can check them out. And I feel like yesterday he kind of killed me with all of the amazing flea market finds. So today I am gonna try to beat him with finding some cooler things. And
you know what I wanna find?
What?
One of these man purses.
It's not a man purse. It's
this
a
is good.
fanny pack.
Oh, I like this.
Listen.
Look what I'm doing. I've got all of this stuff in my pockets.
It's not. Listen, all there is money. There's a checkbook in there because you need to have extra forms of currency to pay for things. It's not a purse. He's just talking brother nonsense. That's what brothers do. I needed one of these at the flea market yesterday. This is heron for 30 bucks. That's a good deal. We will be getting that. Dude, I love this. So cool. So there's no price on it, so now I'm gonna have to go ask for a price. You guys, so they wouldn't look up the price of that wooden bust, which I'm kind of bummed about, but apparently one of their policies here is if it doesn't have a price, then they can't sell it, and they wouldn't call the dealer for us. So I have no idea what the price on that was, and I'm kind of bummed because those are worth like $200. So I'm kind of sad, and I really loved it. I thought it was cool. Tyler, are you finding anything?
Nope.
Okay, so this is the kind of thing that just like messes with my brain. These insane movie props that they have. Okay, well no, they want like $3,000, but I feel like if it was real, it wouldn't be that bad. But check this out, and it's not real, it's a movie prop, but like, I would maybe pay $3,000 for this if it were real. Like, it even has the butt imprints. This giant wire. It's pretty cool, right? Even for a movie prop. Guys, look at this Bakelite jukebox. This is nuts. Wow, that is a lot. A lot of Bakelite. Also, it's 20% off of $3,000. Not terrible if you're in the market for one. Yes, I just about lost my freaking ever-loving mind. I was looking at this really cool thing hanging on the wall, and I touched something next to it that just just like reached up and grabbed it, but then I touched this. My gosh, you guys, it's just like one of those feelings you just want to like cry, scream, throw up all at the same time. I did none of those, but believe me, I want to. You guys, I have to be honest, like I'm not finding very much, and I was just kind of telling Tyler I'm kind of disappointed. I think I'm gonna leave here with like a heron trinket dish with a lid. That's it. We have one more stop after this. It's kind of a cool place, so I'm excited to show you guys. Tyler better step it up about 8 notches because he found nothing because he's a loser. Loser. They have this really cool antique mall called Gum's Mall of Antiques, and I just have to show this to you guys because I just think it's like the coolest vibe ever. I'm gonna show you guys how cool this place is. This is really cool. I love the aluminum. It is in good shape. 175 is not terrible. I mean, I think that's about what I would get for it, though. But I do like it. It's very clean.
Abercrombie and Fitch.
It says Abercrombie and Fitch?
The clock is Abercrombie and Fitch.
That's crazy. 350.
Probably not, no.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem.
So those were actually really cool shops, right? Especially that second one, I just thought it was super cool, so I had to show that to you guys. And we ended up finding some really good things. The day was long, we are both exhausted. Tyler is passed out in the other room because he just could not take any more, but I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys some of my favorite finds of the day. So the very first thing that we found that I thought was super cool was this heron jar. Now this is actually one of their most popular patterns called Queen Victoria, and it's just one of their most desirable patterns that they make. It's very colorful. You can usually spot it because there's always gonna be like plants and butterflies and all kinds of cool things on it. Now, this was a great price for something like this. It's not in perfect condition though. That's kind of the only thing. There's some wear to these petals, which I'm not super happy about, but the price was so good I had to grab this. The next thing that I thought was really cool was this art glass perfume bottle from Susan Mueller Studios. It's not like crazy valuable, but I really thought it was nice. The quality of the work is great, the pattern is really good, it was in really good condition, and it's a signed piece. Now, this is Mexican folk art pottery. It's definitely a version that I have never seen before. I just liked it because it is so contemporary looking, it's so clean looking, and the color is actually really great, and it's easy to kind of incorporate into different places. So somebody will really like this, and it's a good size. It's also signed by the artist on the bottom, which is a huge plus. It's definitely different from any other Mexican folk art candle holders that I've found like this. They're usually very well known for their insane coloring. They've got elaborate details all over them, which is very easy to spot. This is super, super understated. The problem is a lot of times these things are gonna break. Like, it's very easy to knock this and chip this because these are all individual pieces of pottery. But this is in really, really good condition. It's got a little bit of wear there, you can see. I actually would even keep something like this because it's pretty cool. So this was the other one that I got, and I like this because this is Venetian art glass. All of these are individual pieces, and you can actually find really large, elaborate, over-the-top mirrors that look like this, and furniture that looks like this, and picture frames that look like this. People really like these things because they are hard to find in good shape. They do make reproductions of these in lucite, and it looks just like glass, but you can tell when tapping it, it's not. It was like $22, I think. I was really excited to find that. The last thing I want to show you guys are these Frank Art bookends. I loved these. I loved these. They were kind of expensive though for Frank Art bookends. Frank Art bookends don't generally go for a whole lot, but you do want to kind of look out for anything that's very stylized Art Deco from Frank Art. Frank Art does lighting. That's kind of what they're known for, and that's really what they're good at, is their stylized Art Deco stuff. So that's why I grabbed these. I think realistically these will probably sell for $100 to $130, and so I think they were like $45. So that's not a terrible price for these. And honestly, they've got a great look to them. They're very cool, and you can kind of see, like, right here is where they're signed. It was a really fun day. It was just great to go to those places and check out those amazing stores, see some amazing things, and I'm happy with the haul from today. So tomorrow is our last day here. This was so much fun. I'm very excited to hear what your favorite thing was that you saw today. Whether we got it or not, I definitely want to hear about what your favorite thing was. So leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do it now so you don't miss future episodes. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.